Okay, here's a quick video for anybody in the UK with a Jeep Renegade 1.6 multi-jet diesel. I think also the 2 litre multi-jet diesel, and it's to reset the change oil light. So we've got this change engine oil light coming on. We've changed the engine oil and need to reset it. There's a lot of videos about the American way, which is for mainly the American cars that don't have a key. The push button ones are just pressing the accelerator. It doesn't work on these. So let's give a go, see if we can work out how this process is going to go. Right, so we're going to turn the ignition on, and then we're going to press and hold the accelerator. So we're going to press it all the way down and hold it. While that's down, we're going to press the brake pedal 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to keep the accelerator down for another 60 seconds. Meantime being, we can talk about the weather. It's the UK, it's raining. Right, so now we've kept the accelerator down. We're going to release the accelerator and turn the ignition off. Now we're going to wait another 60 seconds. Feel free to get on with the rest of your life. And I have no way of editing these things. It's just how it is. For any Americans watching, the accelerator